Hello everyone, it's BonBonn here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this flower fountain mini for my cat. In the last update video, I told you guys that my cat Caramel cannot pee, and then the vet just took the pee out of his body and everything is a-okay. In order to prevent this, the vet recommended us to buy a water fountain for Caramel where the flowing water will trigger the cats to want to drink more water. And that is the core reason why Caramel could not pee, because he didn't drink enough water. I apologize for the quality of today's video. I'm using my mom's iPad to film today because suddenly every single device in my house doesn't have battery. My camera's battery is out for some random reason, and my sister's camera doesn't even have a battery. I wonder where it's gone. I'm pretty excited for this. I'm going to leave the links to where I bought this, but basically it's a website from Thailand, so maybe if you're not from Thailand, you should find another website. Let's see the brand here. Okay. Save this card. Oh, I wanted that. Go to Catit register and fill in your unique code for special access to customer service, promotion, and more. I'll try to film myself doing that, I guess. My voice is a little bit weird today because I'm a bit sick, but I just got my medicine, so I feel much better. Okay, so what we got here? We got flour, which is the one here. Yeah, but I want to know how I take it out. There's a gap here. You simply push it and then this will come up. So apparently there's like a 3-in-1 functions. The first one is not having any at all, so the water comes out. And then the second one is having the flour here, so the water is like and this one is just toning down the flow. We got the motor, the pump to pump the water, I guess. It has little suction cups. I'm not sure how it works yet, but I'll read the manual soon. And then we have this. And then, oh, a filter! So apparently when you buy a water fountain for your cat, you also have to filter the water. Well, that's good because you want your cat to have clean water, right? Okay, let's see the picture then. Oops, crap. Oh, yep. And I take this circly thing out. How do I do that? Ooh, okay. I'm going to rinse this. Clean. Oh wait, I forgot the cap. Oh, which side? Oh. Then I guess. Oh, here. Okay, so we have to make it a curve a little bit, I guess. And then before putting in the top notch, that's what it's called in the manual, like so. Okay. Yeah? Okay, let's just go try. There is literally no point in just looking at it first. Is this too much? So I kind of figured out the mechanics for it. The ripple that I was saying is which side? That side, the other side. So you see that wavy thing? Yeah, here. That's the place where you will make it the maximum. So how you put it in is put the ripple side, the opposite side of this, because on the ripple side there's gonna be like a little bit coming out, and if you have it on the same side as the notch, then you won't be able to close it. One tip is you gotta make sure that the pump is directly folded in this. Here. That's the first one. This is the second one. See the difference? And then the third one. It works pretty well. Very easy to set up. Now we're gonna let Carmel see. Oh, your fur. And that's it for today's video. Tell me what you think in the comment section about this water fountain. But for me, I think it's pretty great because it's not that big for someone who has only one cat. Although in the video, my cat is a little bit scared of the water fountain, but that's really natural because it's something new. After a few days, Carmel just drank on it like normal. So that's pretty great, and hopefully it will prevent his urinary disease. And if you want to prevent your cat's urinary disease, or your cat already has it and you want to make it better, this is the perfect product for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more animal related things.